ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाक्या बृहदारण्यकोपनिषद चतुर्थ ब्राह्मण उषस्थ पेज नंबर 779। भाष्य सहोवाच उषस्थ चाक्रायणो। उषस्थ चाक्रायण सेड यथा कश्चित् अन्यथा प्रतिज्ञाय पूर्वं पुनर्विप्रतिपन्नो ब्रूयात्। How you are talking, he gives explanation. Yatha kashchid, like someone, anyatha pratignyaya, doing one pratignya earlier, purvam anyatha pratignyaya, punaha, thereafter, vipratipannaha. Now he does some other pratipadanam. Anyatha bruyat. Anyatha he says, how? Asau gauhu, asau ashvaha, yash chalati, bhavati iti. Chalati cha. So yash chalati saha गौः, यह धावति सह अश्वः, गच्छति इति गौ. So chalati means गच्छति. इति वा पूर्वं प्रत्यक्षं दर्शयामि इति प्रतिज्ञा. Earlier you did the प्रतिज्ञा प्रत्यक्षं दर्शयामि. पश्चात् चलनादि लिंगैर विपदिशति. And then all you are doing is doing anumanam. You are showing some linga. Lingaihi vyapadishati. See टीका. दृष्टान्तमेव स्पष्टयति. असौ प्रत्यक्षं गाम अश्वं वा दर्शयामि इति पूर्वं प्रतिज्ञाय. Having done the pratignya earlier, I will show you pratyaksha cow, pratyaksha ashwa. Then paschat yash chalati asau gauhu yo va dhavati so ashwa iti chalanadi lingair yatha gavadi vyapadishati. Evam eva brahma pratyaksham darshayami. In this way you said, I will show you Brahman, Sakshat. Iti mat prashnanusarena pratignyaya. Then prananadi lingaihi tad vyapadishatah. You are showing that through prananadi linga. In bhashya, evam etad brahma prananadi lingair vyapadishtam bhavati tvaya. This is how you are doing. Pratyaksham darshayami, now you are showing through some anumanam, linga. So then what is the problem? Tika. Te pratignya hani hi. Now you know what is pratignya hani. So this is how they use from the Nyaya. Pratignya hani hi. Anavadheya vachanata cha. And this is another one. Anavadheya vachanata. Anavadheya vachanata. Ashraddheya vachanata. In your words, there will not be any shraddha anymore. Which pratignya hani will be there?
He knows the Brahman. Yajnavalkya knows
Yajnavalkya is Brahmishtha among all. That pratignya, because on that pratignya only took away all the cows. that pratignya hani will happen. प्रतिज्ञा प्रश्नामनुसर्तव्यौ बुद्धिपूर्वकारिणा इति फलितम् आह. बुद्धिपूर्वकारिणा, बुद्धिपूर्वकारी कहा, बुद्धि पूर्वम करोति इति बुद्धिपूर्वकारी means whatever karma he performs, whatever actions he performs, it is with knowledge. You see, everybody does, everybody doesn't do. People without thinking, they go on doing things and then they get into trouble. They have all problems. Then they wonder, why do only I have all problems? Because they are not buddhi purvakari. So, buddhi purvakarina kim kartavyam? Pratignya prashnau anusartavyau. Anusartavya means they should follow their pratignya and the prashna. If the question was asked, you have to give that answer. There are some wonderful people. You ask them something, who gave you this? They will give you half an hour discourse without answering the question, who gave you this? I went there, this happened, they met me, this. What is my question? That they will not answer. And same, these kind of people, when they have to do messaging also, 20 messages they will give, not a single one will be worth reading. It will be some here, there, this, that, everything, all random. Nothing connected to the main topic. So, buddhi purvakari means everything. They have to follow pratignya, they have to follow prashna. What is the, and if the conversation requires more than one sentence, there is something wrong. You don't have communication skills. Ek vakya and you should be over. That person should understand everything in one sentence. Whole history, geography. Those people who study Nyaya in particular, they expect that the other person, if they have studied Nyaya, this is how they will respond. Ek vakya mein, bas. You go on talking, and then what is the substance? Nothing. What I asked, that is not answered. See, when we study Shastra, these things also we should know. Pratignya prashnau anusartavyau buddhi purvakarina iti phalitamah. Kim bahuna tyaktva gotrishna nimittam vyajam yadeva sakshad aparokshad brahma ya atma sarvantaras tamme vyachakshva iti. To give up the desire for the cows, gotrishna tyaktva, gotrishna nimittam tyaktva, which is the vyajam. Vyajam means nimittam actually. Gotrishna nimittam vyajam tyaktva yadeva sakshad aparokshad brahma. That you explain now. Tamme vyachakshva iti. इतर आह यथा प्रथमं प्रतिज्ञातस तवात्मैव लक्षण इति ताम प्रतिज्ञाम अनुवर्त इव एव. इतरकः ऑनलाइन
Kahula.
इतरकः
Now, the one who will come now.
याज्ञवल्क्य, who will come now? इतर means याज्ञवल्क्य. यथा प्रथमं प्रतिज्ञातः, हाउ आई डिड द प्रतिज्ञा, तव आत्मा एव लक्षण, योर आत्मा, आई ऑलरेडी सेड, यू आस्क्ड मी यत् साक्षात् अपरोक्षात् ब्रह्म य आत्मा सर्वांतर तम में व्याचक्ष्व, आई सेड तव आत्मा एषते आत्मा सर्वांतरः इति तां प्रतिज्ञाम् अनुवर्ते एव, अहम अनुवर्ते, आई हैव ऑलरेडी फॉलोड दैट, लट लकार आत्मनेपद, वर्ते
वर्तेते वर्तते
वर्तिरन्
सी लट वर्ते रूप इज लट लकार है, वर्ते रन
व्लते व्लतेते व्लतन्ते
वृतु वर्तने धातु, वर्ते वर्तावहे वर्तामहे, वर्ते बिकॉज उत्तम पुरुष है, वर्ते वर्तावहे वर्तामहे, वर्तते वर्तेते वर्तन्ते, अहम वर्ते, दैट्स व्हाई आई सेड दिस इज याज्ञवल्क्य सेइंग अहम वर्ते अहम अनुवर्ते। तथैव यथोक्तम मया, हाउ विल डू अन्वय ऑफ दिस वाक्य,
यथा मया उक्तं तत् तथा एव।
यथा मया उक्तम तत् तथा एव, लाइक हाउ आई हैव सेड तत् तथा एव, तत् किम,
Brahma.
तद ब्रह्म, तद ब्रह्म मीन्स यत् साक्षात् अपरोक्षात् ब्रह्म तम में व्याचक्ष्व तत् तथैव, इट इज लाइक दैट ओनली, हाउ आई सेड, व्हाट डिड आई से, दैट इज यू, योर स्वरूप। सो प्रतिज्ञा अनुवर्तनम एव अभिनयति, प्रतिज्ञा अनुवर्तनम आई डिड। कतमो याज्ञवल्क्य इत्यादि प्रश्नस्य तात्पर्यम् आह। सो नाउ उषस्य चाक्रायण आस्क्ड अनदर क्वेश्चन, कतमो याज्ञवल्क्य यत् पुनरुक्तम तम आत्मानं घटादिवत् विषयी कुरु इति तद अशक्यत्वात् न क्रियते, and you said like घट is प्रत्यक्ष, do प्रत्यक्ष of atma for me, यत् पुनः उक्तम तम आत्मानं घटादिवत् विषयी कुरु इति, it is अशक्य, तद अशक्यत्वात् न क्रियते, that cannot be done because it is अशब्दम अस्पर्शम अरूपम अव्ययम इत्यादि। न दृष्टेर इत्यादि वाक्यस्य तात्पर्यं वदन् उत्तरम आह तद अशक्यत्वात्, न दृष्टेर द्रष्टारं पश्येः, न श्रुतेर श्रोतारं शृणुयाः, न मतेर मंतारं
मन्वीतः
मन्विताः, न विज्ञातेर विज्ञातारं विजानीयाः। आत्मनो वस्तुत्वात् घटादिवत् विषयीकरणं न अशक्यम् इति शंकते। पूर्व पक्षी से आत्मा is vastu, घट is also vastu, घट can be seen as pratyaksha, why atma cannot be seen as pratyaksha, like nayayika, घट is dravya, atma is dravya, dravya samanya guna is there, so therefore kasmat punah tad ashakyam, how this is ashakyam, वस्तु स्वरूपम अनुसृत्य परिहरति, because it is the nature of that thing. वस्तु स्वरूपम अनुसृत्य परिहरति आह वस्तु स्वभाव्यात्, because that is the स्वभाव of that vastu. Atma स्वभाव is like this. घटादेरपि तर्हि वस्तु स्वाभाव्यात् मा भूत विषयीकरणम् इति मन्वानः शंकते. घटादेः अपि तर्हि वस्तु स्वाभाव्यात् मा भूत विषयीकरणम्. घटादि also वस्तु स्वभावम, वस्तु स्वाभाव्यात्. If Atma Pratyaksha cannot happen, Ghata Pratyaksha also should not happen. Iti manvanaha shankate. Kim punastad vastu swabhavyam. What is that vastu swabhavyam because of which Atma Pratyaksha is not happening? Je drishyadi sakshitvam vastu swabhavyam tatasya avishayatvam na cha evam vastu swabhavyam घटादेर अस्ति इति उत्तरम आह. दृष्ट्यादि साक्षित्वम वस्तु स्वाभाव्यम. दृष्ट्यादि साक्षित्वम वस्तु स्वाभाव्यम. दृष्ट्यादि साक्षित्वम. So it is the sakshi of the drishti. Drishti, shruti, mati, vignati or vignapti, etc. This is the vastu swabhava. Means this is the swabhava of Atma. ततस्य अविषयत्वम न च एवं वस्तु स्वाभाव्यम घटादेः. But that is not the nature of घटादि. इति उत्तरम आह. दृष्ट्यादि द्रष्टृत्वम. दृष्ट्यादि द्रष्टृत्वम. दृष्टेर द्रष्टा ही आत्मा. दृष्टेर द्रष्टा ही आत्मा. दृष्टि का द्रष्टा आत्मा है. Some people pronounce दृष्टि का द्रष्टा. Whichever way you pronounce, दृष्टि का द्रष्टा means Atma is the knower, seer, illuminator of jnana. That jnanam is darshanam. So that darshanam is called as drishtihi or drishtihi, shrutihi, matihi, vignati. And it's drashta, shrota, manta. That trich pratyanta is given as Atma. So you have to remember, really speaking, Atma is not drashta, shrota, manta, vignata. Even though when it says drishte hai drashta, so if somebody thinks, okay, Atma is drashta, wherever there is trich pratyanta rupa, trijanta rupa will be showing what?
Karta.
Kartrutva. Trijanta is used only for kartrutva. So if you say it is drashta, shrota, manta, vignata, Atma will become karta. टीका. दृष्ट्यादि साक्षिणोपि दृष्टि विषयत्वं किन्न स्यात् इति आशंका. दृष्ट्यादि साक्षी, that which is the sakshi of drishti, shruti, mati, all these jnanam, why can't it become vishaya of drishti? Drishti vishayatvam kinna syat. Drishti vishayatvam, how will be the samasa vigraha? Online students,
दृष्टेः विषयत्वं
दृष्टेः विषय. दृष्टि का विषय क्यों नहीं होगा? वाई इट कैन नॉट हैपन? आशंका है दृष्टेः इति दृष्टिः द्विविधा भवति। दृष्टेः द्रष्टा ही आत्मा। टीका यथा प्रदीपो लौकिक ज्ञानेन प्रकाश्यो न स्वप्रकाशकं ज्ञानं प्रकाशयति तथा दृष्टि साक्षी दृष्टिया न प्रकाश्यते इत्यर्थः। प्रदीपो लौकिक ज्ञानेन प्रकाश्य। प्रदीप, हाउ डू यू सी द लाइट? थ्रू द आईज. Light we see through Chakshurindriya. Light can illumine Ghata Pata out Bahya Vishayas. Light cannot illumine Chakshurindriya. Can light illumine Chakshurindriya or not? But in light I can see these eyes.
What we see is the Golaka.
We
Huh?
don't see the Indriya.
It is the
What is the
Golaka.
Golaka?
It is not the Indriya. Indriya is Sukshma Sharira. So यथा प्रदीपो लौकिक ज्ञानेन प्रकाश्यो न स्वप्रकाशकं ज्ञानं प्रकाशयति. In the same way, दृष्टि साक्षी दृष्टिया न प्रकाश्यते इत्यर्थः. दृष्टि साक्षी दृष्टिया न प्रकाश्यते. दृष्टेर्दृष्टैव नास्ति. Now first see bhashya. दृष्टिरिति सौगत मत here he brings दृष्टेः दृष्टैव नास्ति. Drishti, drashta itself is not there. Because according to Saugata Mata, Saugatas means Buddhas. According to them, there is no other drashta separately existing from drishti, jnanam. That jnanam itself is kshanikam. That kshanika jnana has jnanam and jneyam. Jneya is Vishaya, whatever is the Vishaya, and its jnana. Bhinna drashta is not there. Drishte drashtaiva nasti iti saugataha. Tan pratyaha. To them it is said, drishtiriti dvividha bhavati. Drishti is of two types. Laukiki paramarthiki cha iti. What is laukiki? Tatra laukikim vyachaste. Tatra laukiki चक्षु संयुक्ता अंतःकरण वृत्ति. लौकिकी वृत्ति इज चक्षु संयुक्त अंतःकरण वृत्ति. So it is basically अंतःकरण वृत्ति, but it has to be associated with some indriya. Here it is chakshu. It don't think every time it is chakshu only, because it is drishti. So we think it is chakshur indriya. But you have to remember, drishti shabda is not only for chakshur indriya, it is for all five indriyas. When we say something is drishya, the drishya means like in drig drishya viveka. Ghata is drishya. Ghata is drishya. Means Ghata has Rupa. Ghata has Gandha also. Gandha is also Drishya. And if it is a fruit, it has Rasa also. Rasa is also Drishya. So you say Rasa, how Rasa can be Drishya? It is not known through Chakshur Indriya. Chakshur Indriya is only when you are seeing Rupa. Everywhere Drishya does not mean only through eyes. Rupa, Rasa, Gandha, whatever Grahanam you are doing through that respective Indriya. Here it is given Chakshu. See 1 number tippani. Sabhasa buddhi parinamas chakshuradi karanako rupadi vishayo laukiki drishti. साभास बुद्धि परिणाम, साभास अंतःकरण परिणाम, चक्षुर आदि, चक्षुर आदि मीन्स अदर इंद्रियज ऑल्सो करणकार, एंड रूप आदि विषय, आदि मीन्स रस गंध एवरीथिंग यू हैव टू टेक. दिस इज लौकिकी दृष्टि. पारमार्थिकीं दृष्टिं व्याकरोति. बिफोर दैट सा क्रियते इति जायते विनश्यति च. एंड लौकिक दृष्टि विल हैव मीन्स, दृष्टि मीन्स ज्ञानम. लौकिक ज्ञानम विल हैव उत्पत्ति नाश, उत्पत्ति नाश. या तो आत्मनो दृष्टि ही अग्नि उष्ण प्रकाशादिवत सा च द्रष्टुः स्वरूपत्वात् न जायते न विनश्यति च. बट आत्मनो दृष्टि ही is अग्नि उष्ण प्रकाशादिवत द्रष्टुः स्वरूपत्वात्. इट इज द स्वरूप ऑफ द्रष्टा, द्रष्टु स्वरूपत्वात् न जायते न विनश्यति. दिस इज लौकिकी दृष्टि.
No, Swamiji.
पारमार्थिकी.
Paramarth.
It doesn't have उत्पत्ति नाश. आत्मनो दृष्टि ही. Now you see, आत्मनो दृष्टि ही. आत्मनो, what is the vibhakti? Shashti will mean संबंध. There is no संबंध. It's स्वरूप, स्वरूप भूता. See third number टिप्पणी. So द्रष्टु स्वरूपत्वात् न जायते न विनश्यति. न जायते म्रियते वा विपश्चित् नायं कुतश्चिन्न बभूव कश्चित्. That is this. टीका. ननु आत्मा नित्य दृष्टि स्वभावश्चेत् कथम द्रष्टा इत्यादि व्यपदेश सिद्ध्यति. तत्र if atma is nitya drishti swabhava, then how do you say it is drashta? When we did Anubhuti Prakasha, I had explained all of these things in detail, because their explanation was required more, because there was no Bhashya Tika, only some simple Tika was given there in Anubhuti Prakasha. So there we have elaborately seen these things. Nitya Drishti, if Atmanah Swabhavas chet, then why do you say it is Drashta? Sa Kriyamanaya Upadi Bhutaya Samsrishta Eva iti Vyapadishyate Drashta iti. Kriyamanaya Upadi Bhutaya Samsrishta Eva, Samsrishta Eva. As if it is associated with the Darshana Kriya. Because there is tadatmya adhyas between pramata and atma. So atma only illumines. Then pramata claims, I saw, I heard, I smelled, etc. So that adhyasa is because of which Atma gets kartrutva, as if. That's why Trich Pratyanta prayogas are done. And Bhedavacha Drashta Drashtihi iti. Tika. Bhedavat means they are Bhedavan. One is Drashta, another is Drishti. Sakshya buddhi tad vrittigatam kartrutvam kriyatvam cha adhyasikam nitya drug rupe vyavahariyata ityartha. Sakshya buddhi tad vrittigatam kartrutvam. Buddhi is Sakshya. तद्गतम तद्वृत्तिगतम कर्तृत्वम, बुद्धिगत कर्तृत्वम और प्रमातागत कर्तृत्वम, क्रियात्वम च एंड एनी क्रिया performed by that pramata, आध्यासिकम नित्य दृग रूपे, in नित्य दृग रूप आत्मा, it is only दृग, it is not drashta, but there is आध्यासिक व्यवहार. आत्मनो नित्य दृष्टि स्वभावत्वे कथम पश्यति न पश्यति च इति कादाचित को व्यवहार. आत्मनो नित्य दृष्टि स्वभाव, आत्मा इज नित्य दृष्टि स्वभाव. स्वभावत्वे, हाउ डू यू से पश्यति न पश्यति? इफ इट इज ऑलवेज इल्यूमिनिंग, देयर इज नो पश्यति न पश्यति. such kind of kadachit ka vyavahara is not there, should not be there iti आशंक्याः. या असौ लौकिकी दृष्टि चक्षुर्द्वारा रूपोपरक्ता जायमाना एव नित्यया आत्मदृष्ट्या संसृष्टा इव तत्प्रतिच्छाया तया व्याप्तैव जायते तथा विनश्यति च तेन उपचर्यते. दृष्टा सदा पश्यन्नपि पश्यति न पश्यति च इति. बेस्ड ऑन द लौकिक दृष्टि, या असौ लौकिक दृष्टि ही चक्षुर्द्वारा रूप उपरक्ता. उपरक्ति मीन्स
संयुक्त संयुक्त संयुक्त
हाँ,
Officially.
व्हाट इज उपरक्ति?
संयुक्त
संयुक्त, संबंध, association. When चक्षुर्द्वारा that अंतःकरण वृत्ति gets associated with रूप, रूप उपरक्ता जायमाना एव उपरमणम रम धातु is there, रक्ति रंज धातु is there. They are different. जायमाना एव नित्यया आत्मदृष्ट्या संसृष्टा इव, विथ नित्य आत्मदृष्टि, नित्य आत्मदृष्ट्या संसृष्टा इव तत्प्रतिच्छाया तया व्याप्ता एव जायते. बाय दी प्रतिच्छाया, प्रतिच्छाया यू सी बहुव्रीहि समास. दृक् प्रतिबिंबा बहुव्रीहि, बहुव्रीहि. प्रतिच्छाया मीन्स प्रतिबिंब,
Yeah.
प्रतिबिंब. दृक् प्रतिबिंबम यस्मिन् सा प्रतिबिंब रूपा अथवा प्रतिच्छाया तया व्याप्तैव जायते तथा विनश्यति च. बाय दैट व्याप्ता एव जायते विनश्यति च तेन उपचर्यते द्रष्टा. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट देयर इज उपचार गौण प्रयोग. द्रष्टा पश्यति, द्रष्टा न पश्यति, इन दिस वे. इन टीका, या बहुविशेषणा लौकिकी दृष्टि ही असौ तत्प्रतिच्छाया इति संबंधः. बहुविशेषण लौकिकी दृष्टि ही, that is the प्रतिच्छाया, means that is the reflection. बिंब is द्रष्टा, प्रतिबिंब is this लौकिक दृष्टि. तथा च या तत्प्रतिच्छाया तया व्याप्ता एव इति यावत्. This प्रतिच्छाया is pervaded by बिंब. व्याप्ता एव इति यावत्. किमिति औपचारिको व्यपदेशो मुख्यस्तु किं न स्यात्. Why you have to use this औपचारिक गौण प्रयोग उपचर्यते you said. Why can't you do मुख्य उपदेश किं न स्यात् इति आशंक्याः. न तु पुनर्द्रष्टुर्दृष्टेः कदाचिदपि अन्यथात्वम्. द्रष्टुः दृष्टेः कदाचिदपि अन्यथात्वं न. because द्रष्टुर्दृष्टेर् विपरिलोपो न विद्यते अविनाशित्वात्. Yesterday it came in Upadesha Sahasri class. अन्यथात्वम्. तथा च वक्ष्यति षष्ठे ध्यायतीव लेलायतीव. षष्ठे in the 4th chapter it will be said. 437 number they have given. Yes, 437 is there. So what is dhyayati eva lelayati eva means? Atma does not do dhyanam. Atma does not have lelayanam, means chalanam. But when buddhi does dhyanam, buddhau dhyayantyam dhyayati eva. Buddhau chalantyam chalati eva, lelayati eva. So this kind of vakya prayoga is because of adhyasa. नहीं द्रष्टुर दृष्टेर विपरिलोको विद्यते इति च. इन टीका दृष्टेर वस्तुतो न विक्रियावत्वम् इति अत्र वाक्यशेषम् अनुकूलयति. दृष्टेः वस्तुतः न विक्रियावत्वम्. द्रष्टा really doesn't undergo any vikriya, any modifications. That is this vakya because it is avinashi. These are all important quotations here. ध्यायतीव लेलायतीव नहि द्रष्टुर्दृष्टे विपरिलोपो विद्यते. And then this mantra that currently we are seeing, na drishter drashtaram pashyehe na shruter shrotaram. Based on these mantras, entire Advaita Siddhanta, this concept, if you see that there is one jnanam by pramata and there is one Kutastha, which is Jnana Swarupa, Jnana Matra. These two types of Jnanams, what is explained here is Laukika Drishti and Paramarthika Drishti. This concept is not there in any Darshana. All other Darshanas, they have only one Jnana. So they don't have this Bheda. And that's why they will raise all sorts of questions. And the commentary will go on and on and on. Main thing is this. Nyaya, Vaisheshika, Sankhya, Yoga, they are more with Vedanta in this part. But Nyaya, Vaisheshika, Mimamsaka, Bauddha, what do they say? Jnanam and Jneyam, they are together. It is Kshanika. And that Jnanam is Swayam Prakasha. What is their idea of Swayam Prakasha? I have explained this.
Deepak Kalika.
Yes. That is for Kshanika concept. But their Swayam Prakasha means Atma is Karta and Atma is Karma. Atma itself is illuminator of Atma. When Vedanta says Atma is Swayam Prakasha, we don't say Atma is Karta also and Karma also. We say Atma is. So in their idea, Swayam Prakasha means it is Karta as well as Karma. he saw this in 16th chapter of Upadesha Sahasri also. Okay. And then, of course, I explained this in Vedanta Paribhasha. What is Prabhakar Mata in this? Tell me. If anybody remembers.
The Antakarana will illumine the Atma and the Vishaya.
What is Swayam Prakasha according to Prabhakar Mata?
Prakashita and Prakashaka.
I think all of you should listen to that Vedanta Paribhasha where I explained these ideas. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.